Hi, today we are talking about how to create an online banking account step by step for beginners. We have to ask ourselves why we need this first. We need this because of it's gonna make our life easier. For example, if you wanted to send someone money, so all of a sudden one of your children or maybe your friend ask you to send them money, you don't need to go all the way to the bank. You can just open your account, open your online banking, and then send it them. That's easy. So that's why we need to have an online banking account. And also we need to talk about the requirement. What's the requirement? What's the requirement? Before we start, we have to know what's the requirement or what the requirement is. Um, you need to have banking account, a credit card or a debit card. It doesn't matter. You need to have a valid email address. And for number two, um, security internet. And when we say security internet, we mean your data, your computer data, or your mobile data or internet, your home internet. You can use a public internet. Public internet is not safe. It's not secure. Um, you also need to have a smartphone or a computer. Also, you need to download the mobile phone app, or you can just go to the browser and then look for the official website of the bank you need. For example, if you need RBC, go to the browser website, go to the browser and then write www.rbc.com, and then you will get their official website. And step two, we need to create. First, we know what we need, the requirement. We know how to get the application, the app. We already downloaded. We know how to search browser. Right now, we need to enroll or sign up the online account. So if you are using the online app, mobile app, or mobile app, you can just sign up. Say sign up. If you are using a web browser, you need to click enroll, um, enroll in or enroll in your online banking. And then you need to confirm if this website is safe, secure. When we see that, there's a lot of scam. There's a lot of duplicated websites. Look like the same website, but it's not the same. So look for the key, little key, local key, local key, in the bar, in the text bar. If you see that lock, it's safe. If you don't, it's not safe. So when you when you click enroll or sign up, you need to enter your card number, and then type your name, date of birth, email address, phone number, and it's by asking you your home address too, and then you need to create a strong password. When we say strong password, something no one can guess. Not your name, not something like 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. It's easy. So something no one can guess. And agree back to term and conditions. You have to say agree. If you say disagree, you can't continue. So we have to say agree. And then step three, verification and activity your account. And check your email for a verification code. They're gonna send you an email for verification code. Still like 6 digits number, maybe sometimes four, and then you enter that 6 digit into your account. So sometimes what happens is you might not get that email verification code, and then please always check your junk or spam, and then log in with your new credential. Right now we already created. After you verify and then put your verification code, that means we already created. So right now we can log in. Log in with your new credential and then set up your face or finger lock. It's just a suggestion. It's really a strong recommend for your safety, and it's easy also to log in. Most of the time, even I forget my password, and I always use my face. Check your dashboard. Check your dashboard. For example, you have a saving and a current. Then check if that's both of them is there and it's working properly. So just log in and then log out and then log in again to check if it's working properly. Therefore, security and safety notes. And whenever you log in, please and please log out. Whenever, even your mobile, your browser like computer, and avoid using online banking on a public internet. We already say that. We don't need to use a public internet. We need to use a secure internet, like a data, your mobile data, or your home internet. Update your password every 3 months, and you can update your password every 3 months, and if you want, or 6 months. Most of the time, we don't. We might forget. Then we can start again another 3 months, or right away after 4 months. So probably, but it's good for you to update your password every 3 months and enable two-factor verification. It's good for you. Also, you can just put your email or certification or phone number, and then whenever you try to log in, they will gonna send you a text message with your code. And then if it's you, you will put it. If someone else, and then you'll receive that one, and then you notice quickly that someone else is using. So it's good and it's really strong recommended to use that one. Step 5 is a common problem and troubleshooting. So when we're using and then creating, we might get some problems. For example, verification email, as we already said, you might not receive the verification email and the code. The code. Then, as we already said, you should check your spam or junk emails. If the page is not loading well, maybe it's internet or maybe the data, computer data. Check your internet connection. If you forget your password, use a forget password link or to reset your password. There's a, whenever you log in and then you put your password, even if you like make a little bit mistake, sometimes what we do is like we forget to log on cable lock, and then still it's gonna give you like because of you making mistake, it's gonna give you you can't log in something like that. So what you do is click on the reset password or forget password and then reset it. So they can ask you your verification security, and we already created. So you have to keep the maps place a safe place, like take a screenshot, send yourself by email or something like that, and then they will gonna ask you. After that, it's gonna be done. Just follow the steps. Conclusion. So yeah, we finish the last step, and then what you need before you create your pro account, how to register safely, how to verify login and stay secure, and also remember online banking, as we first time said, and saves time and help you manage your money wherever you are, whenever you are. Reference, we use RBC Bank, PowerPoint slide week 9 and the PowerPoint slide week 10. Thank you.